Hello, Carly here with Advanced Aesthetic Training. I am super excited to share with you the unboxing of my new Lumohs Dermaplaning blade handle. And I'm also going to do a product demonstration for you guys today. The Lumohs Dermaplaning blade handle brightens and illuminates the areas that you're dermaplaning. It provides enhanced visualization while you're performing your dermaplaning treatments. The battery slips in and out easily for proper sanitation and sterilization post-procedure. It provides shadowless illumination at all angles and contours of the face, guaranteeing that you will never miss another vellus hair again. The powerful light on the end makes for a much safer treatment for you, your staff, and your clients. So the handle that I have is the number 3 blade handle. It is compatible with most blades used for dermaplaning, including the number 10 standard blade, the number 10 round blade, or butter blade as it's commonly called, as well as the number 14 blade and the 15 blade. The Lumohs Dermaplaning blade handle is extremely durable and well made. It's lightweight and ergonomically correct, making it both comfortable and easy to use. The round design with the wide grip provides easier rotation compared to the standard number 3 surgical blade handle, making passes over irregular facial contours and skin irregularities a breeze. It also reduces hand fatigue and strain. It definitely provides better visualization of the fine vellus hair, subtle skin irregularities, and the fine lines. Its precision and accuracy are very impressive. It's really perfect for me because my eyes are not what they used to be, and my studio lighting could be better. It's ideal for increasing visibility without having to worry about additional lighting and more cords. In conclusion, I'm really impressed with this product. I think Lumohs Dermaplane is extremely innovative, and no esthetician should be without at least one in their practice. I absolutely adore dermaplaning, and I think this device may be my new favorite tool. If you would like to order a handle, go to www.lumos.com, Lumohs, and don't forget to use coupon code DERMAPLANE VIP at the checkout to save $20. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Carly Walters, and I'm the Director of Education at Advanced Aesthetic Training, where we offer dermaplaning supplies and virtual dermaplaning classes that accommodate every skill set. Visit us at www.estheticiantraining.biz for more information.